When most people think about Shaolin training, they imagine monks breaking bricks and performing acrobatics. But that's not where Shaolin strength actually begins. The real foundation is much simpler, yet much harder, which is isometric strength training. Instead of relying only on endless repetitions, Shaolin practitioners spend a lot of time holding positions under tension, performing static exercises that train the body to reach its maximum amount of strength and speed. In this video, we're going to break down some of the main Shaolin isometric strength drills and how you can use them to build a stronger foundation in your own training. Focus until the end. 1. Shaolin stance holds. The first pillar of Shaolin conditioning is stance training, which are static positions that build strength in the legs and hips while training the body to maintain alignment under tension. Starting with horse stance. The horse stance is one of the most recognized positions in martial arts training, where your feet are set wide apart while the hips drop until the thighs approach parallel with the ground. Holding this position places constant tension on the quadriceps, glutes, and hip stabilizers, so over time, it grants powerful leg endurance and strong postural control. Bow stance. The bow stance looks like a deep forward lunge. One leg bends forward while the rear leg stays extended behind you. This position develops single leg strength and reinforces the body alignment used in many martial strikes and forward movements. Empty stance hold. In this one, most of your weight sits on the rear leg, while the front foot only touches the ground lightly, strengthening the supporting leg and preparing the body for quick directional changes. Drop stance hold. The drop stance lowers the body deeply onto one bent leg, while the other leg extends out to the side. Holding this position works the hips and inner thighs, building both strength and control in deep ranges of motion. And cat stance hold. In the cat stance, almost all the weight stays on the rear leg while the front foot rests lightly on the ground, developing lower body control and readiness for quick stepping or kicking movements. 2. Upper body isometric training. Shaolin conditioning also includes static exercises that build strength and stability under tension in the upper body. Starting with push-up hold. In this drill, you lower into the bottom position of a push-up and simply hold it. Holding this position, get the chest, shoulders, and triceps fully engaged the entire time, strengthening the muscles and joints and training them to endure sustained pressure. One arm push-up hold. A more advanced variation is holding the push-up position with only one arm. This greatly increases the demand on the shoulder stabilizers and forces the core to work harder to keep the body balanced. Extended arm hold. In some traditional training methods, practitioners extend their arms forward or out to the sides and hold them there for time. It looks simple, but maintaining this position builds serious shoulder endurance and strengthens the muscles that support posture. Fingertip push-up hold. This is monster level. Instead of supporting the body on the palms, the practitioner balances on their fingertips while holding the push-up position. This develops tough, resilient fingers, wrists, and forearms, which are essential for precision and power in every strike. 3. Core isometric training. A strong core allows the body to transfer force efficiently between the upper and lower body. For that reason, Shaolin conditioning includes several static exercises that strengthen stability through the center of the body, starting with plank hold, performed by maintaining a straight body position while supporting your weight on the forearms and toes. Holding this position builds the abs and locks in spinal stability, creating a strong, controlled core. Side plank hold. In the side plank, the body is supported on one arm while maintaining a straight line from head to feet. This targets the obliques and reinforces side-to-side stability, giving you better balance and rotational power. Hanging knee raise hold. In this drill, you hang from a bar and lift your knees upward, holding them in position. It works the abdominal muscles and hip flexors hard, while reinforcing grip and shoulder control. L-sit hold. This is performed by supporting the body on the hands while extending the legs straight in front, and it requires strong core compression and hip flexor endurance to maintain the position. 4. Balance and stability holds. Another important part of Shaolin isometric conditioning. These exercises develop high-level body control. The exercises start with crane stance hold. You stand on one leg while lifting the opposite knee and extending the arms outward. Holding this position strengthens the stabilizing muscles of the lower body. One leg squat hold. Done by lowering into a squat while balancing on a single leg and holding the position. This one builds strength in the quadriceps and glutes while also training the stabilizing muscles around the knee. Low squat hold. This on strengthens the muscles that stabilize the knees and lower back by placing the body in a deep squat close to the ground. 5. Wall and static resistance conditioning. Some Shaolin conditioning drills also use external support to create long periods of tension in the muscles. Doing exercises like wall sit, where you lean your back against a wall while lowering your body until your thighs are parallel to the ground. Static punch hold. You extend a punch fully and hold the position while keeping the arm and shoulder under tension, strengthening the shoulders and reinforcing proper alignment during striking. The key principle behind this training method is time under tension. Instead of performing many repetitions, the goal is to hold positions for longer periods. Beginners might start with 30 seconds, while experienced practitioners can hold these positions for several minutes. With consistent practice, this approach can build a steel body that is able to generate powerful movement when needed. So how to apply Shaolin Isometric training in a weekly system? Day 1. Lower body focus. You got 30 to 45 seconds of horse stance within 3 sets. 30 seconds per leg of bow stance within 3 sets. Same duration and sets of empty stance per leg. 20 seconds per leg of drop stance within couple sets. And same duration and sets of cat stance. Day 2. Upper body focus. 3 sets of 30 seconds of push-up hold. 2 sets of 15 seconds one arm push-up hold. 20 seconds of extended arm hold within 3 sets. Day 3. Core and balance. 40 seconds of plank. Hold repeated 3 times. 20 seconds per side of side plank. 20 seconds of L-sit hold within couple sets. And 2 sets of 20 seconds of both crane stance hold and 1 leg squat hold. Day 4. Rest. Day 5. Combined strength. 3 sets of wall sit with 30 seconds. 2 sets of static punch. Hold 20 seconds per arm. Repeat 1 lower body stance and 1 upper body hold of your choice. Day 6. Full body integration. You got horse stance, push-up hold, plank hold, and crane stance. Day 7. Rest. Recovery matters just as much as the hold itself. Start with the low duration and gradually increase as you improve. Focus on maintaining tension without straining, and rest between sets is crucial. So make sure to follow these steps for the better outcomes. And also, make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you next one, and warrior salute.